All right, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. We got some music. I got to talk over the music. You know what I'm saying? Always got to talk over the music, you know. But yeah, that's the amusement park. Jumping today at the amusement park. The weather is super awesome. Great times here. Seaside Heights in the his house. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, let's stroll over this way. Let's go walk around the ice cream. The Coors ice cream.
One of my boys. We went 3 people to start. Yo, are your boots still up?
Okay, let's just stroll around randomly.
Oh, look, it's 1-1 right now. I would love to do a special.
So yeah, this is a cool little restaurant over here. Cool spot. People having a good time today.
Change your
Got the fun mirror. This is pretty wild. Hey, it's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to snap a picture with my phone here too. I had to get a little picture there. This is pretty wild. The farther back you stand, the bigger you get too. You got it. Wow, this is wild. Pretty interesting stuff. Little big guy. Wow. Wow, the illusion is amazing. That's pretty awesome. Super dope. Wow, okay. A lot of fun, a lot of fun. We have this one over here. Pretty insane. That is definitely fun. Okay.
Hey, come on, let's play this game.
Happenings at the Jersey Shore. Printed announcements. Visit WJRZ.com/newsletter.
Okay, ma'am.
Where's RJ?
You might have one.
I don't know where we're going. Boys, do we have a plan, or are we just gonna...
But that's her deal with you, not mine. So if you want to get her up on
No, I know. I was just saying. I thought we had.
All right. Seaside Heights, let's go. Let's go.
Thank you.
what the hell? No, don't get 8 grand. Less than. You got 10%.
She's the youngest out of all of us? But she's amazing.
All right, let's go. Seaside Heights in the house. All right, rocking out. Good times, great weather.
Oh, and that
Okay, let's go. All right. All right, Seaside Heights into his house, 2026.